Hello everyone, let's continue making the cute hairstyle. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and have a ponytail out of it and braid it. Then after that have another section right beneath it and have a ponytail out of it and connect the braid together. Then continue doing it until the bottom and have it attached to your ponytail and make it bulbous by extending the middle parts. Have a ponytail and have a little strip of hair on the top and braid it and secure to the top temporarily. Have a rubber band the remaining ponytail and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Bring the braid back and scrunch it to the top, making a bow tie design. Secure it with a little rubber band. Then release the braid from that point and split the tail into two and have it braided and make it to the top and secure it there by having a little hairband. Then after that have a very large hairpin and attach it at the bottom. Then go to the front section and hold your hair behind and have another hair clip attached to that as well. Apply some hair wax and comb your hair and have a middle section into parts and make ponytails out of them. Then connect the ponytails to each other making hair ties. Then after that with the back section of the hair, have a top part of it and have it split them into three parts and braid it in a thinner manner. So braid it until you reach the bottom and have the ends secure with the rubber band. Then combine the braid and the back section together and have a common braid and fold it to the top and have a beautiful hair cluster. Have a ponytail and have a top section of it a little loop and bring the back section into it. Then continue doing it alternatively until you reach the bottom part and create a loop on the bottom and have the tips go into it making a heart shape. Then secure it with another rubber band by dropping onto it. Then after that have a little hair clutcher right underneath the ponytail, another hair clutcher right on top of it covering the front section as well. Have a ponytail and have a very beautiful hairband tied around it at the bottom. Then after that, split the tail into four parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. You know how to do. Have the alternative manner by grabbing the two in the first one and having it in the middle. Then do the same for the other two as well. Now continue doing it until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then after that, choose a very beautiful hair clutcher and make it go underneath the ponytail we have and secure it there. Then have another beautiful hairband and choose it and drop it onto the front section covering it entirely. Apply some hair wax on your hair and split your hair into two sections and have ponytails on each of them. Then after that, grab a very beautiful hair clutcher that has ribbons that's been already made into a bow tie and tighten it a little bit to adjust the shape and volume. Then after that, split the tail into two and have it braided along with the ribbon. You know how to braid it. Grab the pairs and make it twist across each other and have it in the middle. Then have that one as the reference and grab another two pair out of it and continuously do it until you reach the bottom part of your hair. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same as we did before. For the right side, make a bow tie at the end of the rubber band, covering it even more further. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and make a lovely ponytail with multiple hair bands on each side. With the back section of the hair on the top, make a ponytail, split them into two and braid it and attach it to the remaining hair, make another ponytail. Apply some hair wax and make a lovely ponytail and have a very beautiful hairband attached to it. Then after that, split the tail into two parts and have it twisted to the maximum as you could and make it go across each other in a thicker manner, so you have to braid it. So continue twisting it and braid it until you reach the bottom part of the hair and have a loop at the bottom and drop the tips into it, making it as a bell shape. Then secure it with another rubber band. Then leave the remaining hair as such. If you want, you can decorate with dropping a lovely hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.